Hi, what's going on? This is Saed from UiTM representing University Technology Malaysia in the iHack 2018 qualification round. Now I will be going through the challenges we solved in that CTF competition. It's a qualification round, and now we'll go to the answer response. We'll start with the answer response. Now as we can see, we have the first challenge here, asking for the username that the attacker used to take over the server or to log into the server based on this authentication log. Now we download the authentication log, and we can copy it here. Okay, now this is, let's see what is this file is all about. Okay, it's an sh log file, log authentication log file. Now we need to search for an open session, which is in this log file is probably new session, new, no pattern is found, maybe new, yep, new session 42 of user test. So the solution for the first one is test. Let's try this echo incident response to flags. Echo flag one test. Okay, now let's go to the next challenge. This is very straightforward. Let's go to the next challenge. It's asking for the host name of the CNC server the attacker used, and it's giving us the login. It's asking to use the same username and this password to log into that server. So let's go here, let's clear that, and sh test, add that one. iHack 2018. Now we log in and let's explore around. First we see attack.sh and we see Python files and we see some other files, but actually the clue here is attack.sh. Let's see that file. Maybe cat will be better. Okay, it's from the first glance it's base 64, but we see that equal in the first as a first character, which is not really valid 64 base 64 encoding, so it's probably reversed. So let's do that. Cat same file, let's do rev, and now it's probably in the right order, so let's base 64 decode that. So the attack file contains some it's a bash script and contains some entries here. One of them is that one. It's the host name for that challenge. So when you window here, let's just go ahead and echo flag 2 this is the flag for the next challenge. This is the host name of the attacker that he will use to download something and apparently execute it afterwards. And that's something we actually can download, which we'll look for later. Now let's try to actually download that and look into it. Actually we need to download it on the server, so now we download it on the server. Let's log in again. iHack 2018, we get that. Okay, actually we already had it before, so let's just remove Python. Oops. Okay, now to transfer it to our machine, to actually, because this one is, let's say, file Python, it's byte compiled Python, so we need to decompile it to transfer it to our machine. We can use SCP, but we just use an like different method just for the sake of knowledge. We'll convert the file to base64, and then let's just open a new tab here. Let's echo that to base64 decode, and then let's redirect that to Python .ic. It's file python.ic. It's byte decompiled. Now we can to compile that. Let's see if we just say strings. We see that it's just strings, not a whole file, so there is binary inside it, so we need to decompile. We use uncompile. Yes. F that file or here. Okay. Okay, and now it's decompiled. Actually, we forgot to see what is the challenge. The challenge is asking for the host name of the next target attacker. So the attacker have another target, and we need to figure who that is. And now we find it through this script. It's a Python script. Here we find IB target, and we find victim UiTM iHack 2018.com, and now concatenating those and sending an attack, which is UDP attack, UDP DOS, I guess. So let's just combine those. Victim UiTM UiTM iHack 2018.com. So this is the host name of the next target, and this is actually the flag. So let's just echo that. As flag 3, two flags, scat flags, and we have the 3 flags here: test, CNC, and victim UiTM iHack 2018.com. Okay, that's all for the incident response. Now we go to the next one,